Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can type multiplication symbols in Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Word and then you need to go into the insert. When you are insert, then you need to click on equation. Once you click on that, you have different options here. You simply need to select this multiplication sign, and if you want you can make it bigger from home like I am doing, and if you want you can make it smaller. So once it is done, then you can add any number here, and this is the sign, and after that you can add number as well. So this is the process by which you can type multiplication symbols in Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.